everybody, Cindy Utter here with my Artsy Endeavours. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I dug in my stash and I found some tags, and I want to play around today, so I plan on playing around with some Neo colors, maybe some stencils, maybe some paint. I don't know. I just thought I'd bring you guys along, and don't worry about this. My skin is so thin that I scratched it and it started bleeding, so just ignore that. But I hope you guys enjoy, and if you have any questions or comments, let me know. We'll see you at the end. Bye. guys, so here's what I ended up with. These all have a little bit of texture on them. I have to leave them sitting here because they definitely are not dry. So they are going to stay on my desk until they dry. So I ended up with 6 of those. 2, 4, 6 of those. Now these, I just put a little bit of stamps on them just to have fun with them. So, I mean, it's no big deal if I don't like something. That one's empty. These 3, they were a little bit too dark. Those ones. If I don't like them, I can paint over them. I can collage over them. It's not a big deal. I just wanted something to give me a base on somewhere to start. And I really don't like looking at blank tags. So, I mean, I may take this and say, oh, I want to do this, this, or the other thing. So, again, these are blank because they're dark. I just wanted to play along today, or play today, I should say, and show you guys what I was doing. I hope you've enjoyed, and I can't wait to see what you guys do with your tags just to create your backgrounds. I think they turned out pretty cool, and I'll have a lot of fun playing with them here in the near future. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the notes below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!